are here to discuss about real numbers. Okay, so here in real numbers in class 10th, first thing which is given to you is Euclid's division lemma. Okay, so what is this lemma? Lemma is a proven statement used to prove another statement. Okay, जो already prove है, which is used to prove another statement is called as lemma. Now it is given by the mathematician Euclid, that's why his name is given Euclid's, and this lemma is based on division, that's why it is called as Euclid's division lemma. Okay, so what is Euclid's division lemma? Given positive integers a and b, there exists unique integer q and r satisfying a is equals to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equals to 0 and less than b. I did not understood anything यार. Have you understood it? नहीं ना? चलो एक example लेते हैं, ठीक है? Two positive integers a and b they have taken. Okay, so two positive integers I am taking, that is 10 and 3. So when I am dividing this 10 by 3, we know that 3 3s are 9. Then 10 minus 9 gives us the remainder 1. Now we know the names of these numbers also, na? Okay, let us recall once as we have studied in our lower classes. This 3 is a divisor, 10 is a dividend, this 3 is the quotient, and this 1 is the remainder. Okay, and you people know the relationship also in between this dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. One relationship is there. What is that relationship? Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, now let us see dividend. What is the dividend? 10 is equals to divisor. What is the divisor? 3 into quotient. The quotient is also 3 plus remainder, so it is plus 1. 10 is equals to 3 into 3 plus 1. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now this was an example. Now let us take this integers only, positive integers a and b. Okay, so if I am taking the two integers a and b, okay, then obviously some quotient q will be there, you know, and obviously the remainder will also be there. Either it will be 0, okay, greater than 0 or less than b. Okay, the remainder should be greater than or equals to 0 or less than b. Remainder can be 0, can be equals to 0 or greater than 0, but it should be less than b. You take any example and see better, remainder will always be less than the divisor. जो remainder होता है ना वो हमेशा divisor से छोटा होता है. Remainder will always be less than the divisor. Okay, so remainder should be greater than or equals to 0 but less than b. Now when we write in this relationship format, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend is what over here? A. So dividend is equals to divisor into quotient should be into q plus remainder, so that is plus r, where r should be greater than or r is greater than or equals to 0 and less than b. Okay, now I hope you have understood Euclid's division lemma. Now Euclid's division algorithm. What is algorithm, children? Algorithm in simple language, if I say steps to do anything, that is called as algorithm. Predefined steps. Okay, to do anything, that is algorithm. Suppose now it is the definition. An algorithm is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving a type of problem. Now suppose to make you understand in a better way, I have taken over here an example of sandwich. These are the steps to make a sandwich. So I'll just, in some simple language, I can say it is an algorithm. This is an algorithm to make a sandwich. So I think you people have understood now what is algorithm. Steps to do anything. Okay, steps to solve any problem, that is a algorithm. So Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, now what is this Euclid's division algorithm? Now Euclid's division algorithm is a technique to compute the HCF of two given positive integers. It is used to find the HCF of two given positive integers. Now let us take an example from exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF. HCF is highest common factor of 135 and 225. Okay. Now let us solve this. Now always the greater number should be the dividend and smaller number should be the divisor. Okay, so greater number should be the dividend, that is 225, and smaller number will be the divisor. Now divide this normal division like 135, ones are 135. Subtract it, 225 minus 135 will gives us the remainder 90. Okay, But here what we have to do, we have to repeat this process again until we get the remainder 0. जब तक कि हमें remainder 0 नहीं आता है ना, ये procedure को हमें फिर से repeat करना है. So just again repeating it. Now what will be the dividend? Okay. Any guesses? The dividend will be the divisor of the first step. This 135 will come over here. 135. Now again divide this. 90 ones are 90. Again subtraction. 135 minus 90. The remainder is 45. Again the remainder is 45. It's not 0. So we have to repeat this procedure again. Okay. So 45 is there. So what will be the dividend over here now? I think you people know it better now. This 90 will come over here. Yes, the divisor of the second step. So 45 2s are 90. 90 minus 90 0. Yeah, at last we got the remainder 0 and we got our HCF also. Our HCF is 45. The divisor which gives us the remainder 0. Okay, ऐसा divisor जो हमें remainder 0 देता है, that is the HCF, highest common factor. Okay, now we have to do it by Euclid's division algorithm. So we have to write in that form. That is, what is Euclid's division algorithm or lemma? A is equals to BQ plus R, where R is greater than or equals to 0 or less than B. Now first step, you see this first step children over here. In this we have to write in the form of A is equals to BQ plus R. That is nothing but dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So write in this form children, this one. Dividend, what is the dividend? A 225 is equals to B into Q. So that is 135 into 1, divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is the remainder of the first step? That is 90. First step completed. Now second step. Okay. So when we go for the second step, A is equals to BQ plus R. Again A, that is dividend. 135 is equals to BQ, divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the remainder? R 45. Okay. Now again the third step, same procedure you have to repeat. A is equals to dividend is equals to BQ, divisor into quotient, that is 45 into 2 plus R, that is 0. So 90 is equals to 45 into 2 plus 0. As we got the remainder 0 over here, what is the HCF? That is the divisor which gives us the remainder 0. So HCF is 45.